Does your screen keep turning off on Windows 11? Here's how to keep it always on. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe for more quick tech tips. First method, using settings. Click the start button and open settings. Go to system, then select power and battery. Under screen and sleep, set on battery, turn off my screen after never. Set when plugged in, turn off my screen to after to never. Also set sleep to never if needed. Second method, using control panel. Search control panel in start and open it. Click hardware and sound. Click power options, then select change when the computer sleeps. Set turn off the display never. Set put the computer to sleep to never. Click save changes, and that's it. Your screen will now stay on without turning off. Like, share and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tips.